Data is the bedrock of civic monitoring, but it's not just about knowing where to find it. Collecting data is the first step, but now you need to learn how to recognize, clean, and, most importantly, analyze it. It's time to make the data speak, pulling out valuable insights for your research. Understanding the nature of data is crucial for using it correctly. It can be quantitative, like the numbers and stats you find on OpenCoesione or the ISTAT website. It can also be qualitative, such as opinions gathered from interviews or surveys. Data can include various types of information. For instance, geographic data has a spatial component that lets you pinpoint a phenomenon on a map. By using longitude and latitude, you can trace the exact route of a bike lane. It can also tell you what kind of area it relates to: municipal, regional, or national. In this way, you can identify the total kilometers of bike lanes in your municipality, for example. Data can also help you analyze trends of a phenomenon over time and measure its changes. This is known as historical series. By looking at the data related to waste sorting in your municipality over the last 10 years, you can see if it's gone up or down. Now, let's look at some simple steps you can take with your team to clean and analyze data using a spreadsheet like Google Sheets. Working in the cloud will help you save all your work while collaborating with your teammates in real time. Start by uploading your dataset to a new spreadsheet. Make sure it's in a compatible format, like Excel or CSV. Begin reviewing its content. Data often needs a bit of tidying up. So, you'll need to do some data cleaning. You might find errors, even typos or duplicates. Just step in manually to fix them yourself. You can also lighten or enrich the data based on your needs. There might be some information that doesn't interest you. Just select the column and delete it. Or you can easily add extra information. For example, if you have the municipality, you can add the province and the region by inserting new columns on the right and filling in the corresponding details. Even administrative data needs constant checking to ensure it truly reflects reality. And this is where you can get involved. If you spot any inconsistencies in the data updates on the OpenCoesione portal, you can report these anomalies by filling out the dedicated form, stating report error in data as your reason for contact. Once your dataset is ready, you can start analyzing the data. One basic technique is sorting. If your data shows the percentage of waste sorting for each municipality, sorting them will help you see where it's highest and where it's lowest. Just select the column you want to sort and head to the Data menu. Choose Sort Range. Then pick either ascending A to Z or descending Z to A order. This technique makes it easy to spot trends and patterns in your data. Filtering is another key technique for analyzing data. If you want to find out about waste sorting in a specific province, just create a filter. Select the column and go to the Data menu. Here, choose Create a Filter. You can also click the icon in the toolbar. An arrow will appear at the top of the column, allowing you to open a drop-down menu. Select the items that interest you. This helps you focus on specific information and examine the most relevant data for your analysis. From large datasets, we can also pull out specific information to create tables that are useful for our monitoring. For this, we can use pivot tables, which help to group, summarize, and organize data. If you have a big database with all the waste sorting data divided by municipality and you want to isolate specific types of waste for a province, the pivot table is what you need. In the Insert menu, select Pivot Table. You'll see a grid to fill with the data you need. Enter province in the Rows field, and in the Values field, enter the type of waste you're interested in, like paper, glass, and plastic. In this field, you need to decide what operation to perform, selecting it from the drop-down menu. Choose SUM, and there's your table ready. For effective civic monitoring research, it's crucial to let the collected data speak for itself. There's no one-size-fits-all recipe or universal technique that works in every case. It requires a tailored mix that suits the context and the specific case you're investigating. If your first attempt doesn't quite hit the mark, keep refining it until you're happy with the result.